Hello guys, today we are going to discuss Leetcode problem 20, which is valid parenthesis. So it's a very common interview question and it has been asked in a lot of interviews. Given a string S containing just the characters, these are the characters, okay. Determine if the input string is valid. So an input string is valid if these are the criterias of the valid input string. So open brackets must be closed by the same type of brackets. Open brackets must be closed in the correct order, and every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type. So let's see some example. This is our input string, and this is a valid string because um, this bracket is closed by the similar uh, closed bracket. So this is a valid string. So we should return true. Next one is this one. This one is also valid because every close bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type. This one is invalid because the open bracket does not have the corresponding close bracket of the same type. So we can solve this problem using stack. So basically we will iterate over the characters of the string and push it into the stack whenever we found any opening brackets. If we found any closing bracket, then we basically pop out of the stack and match uh, the popped character with the current character. If they are match, if they don't match, they will immediately return false. And if the length of the stack is zero, uh, and we are basically popping, we cannot pop, then we should also return false. Okay. So that's what the idea is. So let's code the solution. So here is our stack and uh, closing brackets. So closing brackets we can have like this. Okay, these are the only three closing brackets. So we iterate over the string if ch not in closing brackets, then we are going to push in the stack dot append ch else, and we'll check if length of stack is 0, we will return false. Otherwise we will return the uh, element, okay, is equals to stack dot pop. So here we got the element. Now we will see if element is, if basically ch is in closing bracket. So if element is equals to this and ch is not equals to this, okay, return false. Similarly for other two brackets, we will have this one, and here also closing bracket. Here we will have curly brackets, okay. Now at the end we will check if the length of stack is not 0, then it means some elements are remaining. and we should return false. And if it is 0, we will return true. Run the code. So you see all the test cases are passed. Okay, let's submit the code. Okay, so submission is successful. Our code is accepted and this algorithm is working fine. So the time complexity of this algorithm is order of n, where because we are using only one for loop here and we are iterating over the characters in the string. So time complexity is order of n, where n is the number of characters in the string. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.